everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to be digging into my latest Stitch Fix. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks, all puppies right now. I have a beagle named Dexter, a Westie named Loki, and my son's dog is this cute little Jack Russell, and his name is Willie. We hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this and join the puppy madness. All right, so Stitch Fix is the styling box that started them all, and I think you guys are pretty familiar. Typically, you get 5 items, keep all, get 25% off, but now they're starting to ask you if you would like a regular box or a big box. Do you want to get 5 items, 6 items, 7 items, 8 items? I chose the 8, and I love it. They have the preview, they have freestyle, they have more options. It's just, I think, so much fun. And if you keep 5 or more, you still get the 25% off. So you don't have to keep all 8 to get 25% off. There is a $20 styling fee that comes off of anything that you keep. And let's see, if you don't want to do a box, but you'd like to shop Stitch Fix, you can do that as well. It's called Freestyle. All right, you get a bag right on top here to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep. And you get a 1-pager now that has notes from your stylist, a QR code for styling ideas, and your pricing sheet. My stylist is new. Her name is Kelsey. So let's get to this collection. So I did in the preview, I only picked 2 items, I think, from the preview. One of them was this, this pair of shoes by Sam Edelman. And what are they called? They're called the Waylon Leather Heel. So I like the black and white. We'll see what that looks like on, but I thought those were cute. It's kind of a squared toe. This is fabric. All right. And the bundle. All right. Puppies, I gave them all sticks to chew on, so hopefully that keeps them nice and quiet while we get through this. If I leave them alone, they scream, and if they're in their crates, and if they're not in their crates, then they're just destroying something. All right, first up is Threads for Thought Bailey Feather Rib Neck Knit Tank. It's a nice little, just basic, very stretchy. We have another tank here. This one is by Market and Spruce. The Molli Ribbed High Neck Tank. High neck makes me nervous, but we'll see what that looks like on. I like the little contrast stitching there, the contrast trim. These are noisy sticks. All right, then we have something from Dahl, the Chad Boyfriend Button-Down Shirt. Okay, that's super pretty, but I feel like I always say no button-downs, and I always get button-downs. I think I did actually say no button-downs, but I probably contradicted because I picked one. I'll show it to you in just a minute. But this is a pretty top. Be nice for a bathing suit, too. It's lightweight. We'll see what my stylist says since she's new. This is the other item. I picked the Pistola camp shirt. It's called the Delia camp shirt. I thought this would be cute. It's just a short sleeve little jacket actually, plus a shirt. We'll see what it looks like on, but that's why I had picked it. It does have a little bit of stretch, lightweight. We'll see. It looks a little boxy, just holding it up there. Next up, I have something from Sugarlips, the Aveline Maxi dress. This is a pretty color. And let's see, it looks like, yeah, adjustable straps. The color is very pretty. It is fully lined. I can feel it in there. Yep. Fully lined and pockets. That's pretty. Next up, Daze Denim. These are called the Knockout High Rise A-Line Cargo Short. With all those pockets, there is some stretch in these. Okay, and the last item is the Pistola Lana Crop High Rise Ultra Wide Leg. Oh, and it has the cuff. I do like the cuff. So I think I already own these in the blue denim. So this is a pretty, pretty white. Love white for summer. All right, that's my pieces. And my stylist says, what a pleasure to, it is to style your 166th fix. I noticed your preference for summer colors, sleeveless tops, versatile pieces, the transition from work to weekend. So I've curated a selection to fit your elevated casual style. I see you selected the Sam Edelman heel and the blue Pistola camp shirt. Great picks to complement your choices. I include the white Pistola ultra wide leg jean, a brand new addition to our collection. The crop bottoms are perfect for summer and pair beautifully with the blue Threads for Thought tank. Let's see. And it says for a pop of color, the fuchsia Sugarlips maxi dress offers effortless elegance and is ideal for both casual and more polished occasions. Okay, let's see what works. First outfit. All right, I have on the shorts, the color block tank, and the shoes. These jean shorts are very nice. They do have stretch to them, and they're wide at the widest part of my leg. They have these fun lower pocket down here, as well as the side pockets that don't stick out, which I enjoy. The patch pockets in the back, unfinished hem. I think these are a nice short. What do you think, Dux? Huh? They're different than your typical. Then I put it on with this tank. I like the black and white. It's not too close to my neck. And the shoes are comfy. What do you think, Dexy, huh? I like the black and white. These are high waist, hitting me right at my belly button. They're a nice length. Yeah, I think they're cute. All right, so for this one, almost lost my sheet. The Daze Denim, the Knockout High Rise short. I'm wearing a size 2, $78. And then the Molli Ribbed High Neck Tank by Market and Spruce. I'm wearing an extra small, $29. The Sam Edelman Footwear, the Waylon Leather Heel. I'm wearing a size 8, which is my normal size. $130. What do you think of the first outfit? Next up, the dress. This is such a pretty dress. This would be fun for any type of outdoor event or summer event. So pretty. That squared neckline, adjustable straps. It does create a waist for you. Comes in here. Has the seaming detail that kind of goes out. And it is a nice, wider bottom with a full liner. The colors are really pretty in this. I just put on a nude heel. I think this is very pretty. And it feels really nice on, honestly. This would be so cute with, for a casual look, throw the little camp shirt on top. You could put flip-flops on for the beach, or how cute is this for a little weekend look? This cam shirt does have the step hem here, slit on the side, snaps, covered snaps. It is a wider fit. You can see I have lots of room here. My waist is here. So it is more of a relaxed type fit. Pocket up here. Very cute. I think I like it open better than closed. What do you guys think of the camp shirt? Is it a keeper? All right, so the Pistola Delia camp shirt, I'm wearing an extra small, $158. And the the dress, which is by Sugarlips, the Aveline maxi dress. I'm wearing an extra small, $89. Very cute, right, Dex? I don't know if you can see him, but he's on the floor right here. Yeah, this is cute. Final outfit. I have on the Pistola wide leg cropped cuffed pant. How cute are these? I'm really enjoying that wider cuff. I'm enjoying that fit. think these are super cute. I'm trying to decide if I want to size up in these because they're white, which I usually like to size up one. So I might do that. But I think these are really nice. They are cotton. These don't have stretch in them. They will relax a little bit, but not too much. And then the blue tank, which I think is such a pretty, pretty pop of blue. Goes nice with my eyes. And to finish off the outfit, how about we add the button down, which has all the colors, the blue, the black, the white, plus some extra colors. So it does cover the whole tushy. You wear it as a button down, which would be super pretty. You could even tie it at the waist, which would be adorable. Put a little bralette on underneath it. This would be nice as an alternative to a jacket. Just put this little button down on. You could wear it over top of a dress, right? Or button it all up and wear it like a regular shirt. This is super cute. Check out all of the pattern in this. It's so pretty. So while I don't typically reach for button downs, this one feels like maybe I need it. It's super cute. I think I like it just open too. A nice over bathing suits, which I think I already said. Dexy likes it, don't you, buddy? Don't you, buddy? Huh, you like it. They're being so good. Being so good. All right, so the Bella Doll Chad Boyfriend button down. Of course I like it. I'm wearing an extra small 163. Okay. Then the Pistola Lana High Rise Cupped Crop Ultra Denim. I'm wearing a size 2, 178. And the tank is by Threads for Thought, the Bailey Feather Rib High Neck Tank. I'm wearing an extra small, $36. What do you guys think the keepers are in this box? I think it was a good box. I thought the shoes are nice. I'm leaning towards the shoes. I really like the white denim. Might size up. Nothing wrong with the blue tank. I think the blue tank is nice. I like it. I love this top. I have to debate at that price point if I would keep it or just wear something different. The dress, actually, I really liked it. I liked it. The camp shirt, I'm not so sure about. I feel like it was a little big on me or a little too boxy for my taste. The denim shorts, always good if I need to pick a fifth item to get to the 25% off. I also thought the rib tank with the color contrast or the color blocking was fabulous too. For all 8 items, $861. If you keep 5 or more, 25% off. $215.25. I do the Style Pass, which just renewed. So that Style Pass, which costs $49 a year and does away with my $20 styling fee. I don't have that. Will come off. That $49 does come off of anything that you keep in your next box. So I will get a $49 credit on this one. So what do you think? I think I definitely probably, very contradictory, right? I think I definitely have 5 items here. I just have to decide which 5. I'm thinking just for the price tag, I probably won't keep the button down just because I generally don't reach for them. But if it was a little cheaper, I probably would keep it at 25% off. So I'm thinking the jeans in a size up, the tank, the shoes, then probably the dress, and either this tank or the denim shorts. So that's what I'm thinking at the moment. But please comment down below. Let me know your favorites. I will put my link to Stitch Fix down below. If you use my link, you'll get money towards your first box. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. Hit like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.